Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Verdie, and today we are going to be testing a $20 polygel kit that I got off Amazon. I am starting with the unboxing of the contents of the kit. So you do receive these dual forms and they're size 0. Looks like it would fit most thumbs. I'm a little bit wide, so it would have been a little small for me. You get these crystals, you get a buffer and a file. You also get a polygel brush, which one side has the actual brush used to apply the polygel, and the other side has a picker. What also comes in this kit is you get you get a top coat, a base coat, and then you get a foil transfer gel. And the foil transfer gel does have to be cured in the lamp. You also get 3 foil transfers, and you get this mini UV LED lamp. It has an on-off switch, a 60-second timer, and a 90-second timer. And you also get the plug and the instructions. So this lamp is actually a 30-watt lamp. So I will be using this lamp for this video and talking a little bit more about that shortly. You get 3 colors and you get 6 15-milliliter bottles of tubes of polygel. You get a clear, light pink, rose pink, peachy, bean red, and a brown. And those again are 15-milliliter tubes. So I am going to apply my nail tips with base coat. And if you don't have a mini UV lamp or one of the smaller lamps, just flip your lamp over. As long as you can remove that base, you should be fine. So I'm using Eden's Rose Rubber Base Coat, and I'm just going to attach these extra long nail tips that I did receive off AliExpress. That information will be in the description box down below as well as on the screen. So I do have the mini lamps. I just wanted to see how complete this kit was, if I can do an entire set of nails with this kit. And if I wasn't using the forms that I'm using, I would be using the dual forms. But for me, I want to use, I want the nails a little bit longer. So that's why I'm going in with these tips. But you don't have to purchase a mini lamp. If you can remove the bottom of your lamp, just flip it over and attach your nail tips that way. And generally what I would do is I would put base coat on the entire nail, but I've already have the rubber base coat on my nail, so that's why I'm just doing it on the tips this time. I like to keep a thin layer of rubber base coat, so when I'm removing my nails, I just file down to that rubber base coat. And also this rubber base coat has helped a lot with me preventing lifting on my nails. So I'm just going to do that on the tips today, but you can do it by using the entire nail plate with rubber base coat and then applying the tips. I am just flash curing right now, so once I'm done flash curing, then I would just go in for a full cure on the entire hand for 60 seconds. If you guys have any questions about how I'm applying my tips, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I like to use rubber base coat or base coat because it doesn't break down as fast as the nail glue, and I feel like it's sturdier. And then if you have flat nails and the nail tips are curved, you can just use a little bit more of that base coat to fill in any gap that would be between the nail tip and your nail plate. So those are just 2 reasons why I like to do it. But definitely if you have any additional questions, let me know in the description box below. And again, make sure after all the tips are applied, you do fully cure that for 60 seconds. After I've applied all the tips and everything has been fully cured, I wipe off the sticky layer, and I'm just going to go ahead and shape these tips up a little bit and then just blend in the tip or any of that base coat that's not a smooth transition on my nail plate, and just get the surface ready to apply polygel. Because I'm applying polygel, I do want to etch the surface of the entire tip just so the polygel has something to stick to. I'm going to go in now with the base coat that comes in the kit. And this is it's not a thick base coat, but it's not thin. The only thing that I did not like about the base coat is the way that it smelled. It didn't smell like the base coats I normally use, so it had a different kind of a smell to it. I am going to be doing my nails with the bean red color, and what I'm doing here is I just applied the polygel all the way on the nail, which I probably shouldn't have done. This polygel is kind of stiff, and it was on a warm day when I did this application, so this is a really firm polygel, and I'm using the base coat that came with the kit to apply the polygel. You can use slip solution if you have it from another kit, or you can use 70% or 91% isopropyl alcohol. Just depends on what you have. I like to use the base coat, and that's pretty much what I use most of the time. So I did have a lot of excess polygel that came off when I did the first layer of polygel. So I just put that to the side and flash cured the nail. Now I'm going in with the rest of that polygel to go down the length of the nail. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to flash cure it again, and then I'm going to look at the nail, see where I need to add strength, make sure I have a decent apex, and then add more polygel. And in between each layer, I do flash cure, but at the end, I give it a full cure. So far, I am liking this kit. The only thing I don't like is the way the base coat smells. But the polygel, it is firm, but it's easy for me to manipulate with the actual base coat. So you're going to see me doing the polygel on a couple more nails. I'm not going to go into detail of how to apply because I want to talk about a giveaway. So if you guys have been watching my channel, my birthday is this month. So all month, I'm going to be doing small random giveaways in my videos and my Instagram. So pay attention to my Instagram post as well. My intent was to give this kit away, but I wanted to make this an international giveaway as well. So for US, I will be giving away this kit if it's a US winner. If it's an international winner, I will be giving the value of this kit as an Amazon gift card. So this giveaway is open to everyone. US will receive this kit. International will receive an Amazon gift card for the value of the kit. Actually, I'm going to bump it up because I paid $20 for the kit, so I'm going to bump it up to $25. So $25 gift card for international, this polygel kit for US. The rules are the same for all of my giveaways. You have to be following me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In order to actually enter, in the comments, just write enter me, your Instagram name, and if you're US or international. I will pick the winner on July 1st, and I will be reaching out to the winner directly via Instagram DMs. If you don't put enter me in the comments, the winner generator I use won't pick up on your comment. So make sure you do put enter me. If I have time, I do go back and let people know, like, hey, can you edit your comment to put this? And just so you'll be able to actually have a chance to win. So on this cutout, what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of transfer foil. So I put the transfer foil glue that came in the kit, cured that for a minute, and then went in with the transfer foil, and then went over top of that with the clear polygel. The clear polygel in this kit isn't super clear. MAKARTT has like the clearest clear polygel. You guys hear me talk about MAKARTT all the time. This one was a little bit cloudy once it got cured and filed and everything like that. You will see later in the video that I did do my right hand, and I was starting to run out of the bean red polygel. So I just did like a clear ombre. The tip of the nail was clear, and then the nail bed was that bean red again. So these tubes, if you're doing nails extremely long like I'm doing, you probably won't be able to get a full set. But if you're doing shorter nails, you probably will get a full set out of each tube. Just depends on the length of the nails that you choose. Overall, I do like this set. I really actually like the lamp a lot. The polygel is easy to work with, and I thought the kit came with a lot of stuff, and you can do a complete set of nails if you decide to do the dual forms. But if you want to do nail tips, obviously you would have to supply your own nail tips. So the only thing I used outside of this kit was my own files and my e-file, but you can definitely use the files that come in the kit. And then I also use the rubber base coat, which is a staple in every set of nails that I do, and then the nail tips. So for the most part, I did use this kit, and this is a complete kit. I think this is a great kit to play around with. I did break a nail. I was being greedy and getting some fruit that I had already ate fruit, but I wanted some more fruit out of the refrigerator, and I closed the refrigerator door on my nail, and it just broke. Like, it was a clean break. I didn't injure myself or anything like that. It could probably just because these nails were extremely long. And I also got them caught in the freezer at the grocery store. I got them caught in my car door handle. So I think I was just doing way too much with these nails. So I've actually already removed them because I'm like, okay, I can't keep hitting my nails on stuff. But I love how my fingers look with my nails this long. So this is, that was the both hands of nails after everything was filed and shaped. So I'm just going in now with some transfer foil glue. I'm going to do a French cut on this nail. So I'm going to go in with the brush that came in the kit and clean that up a little bit. I cured that for 60 seconds. Now I'm just applying the transfer foil. I am going to go over 3 of the other nails on this hand around the edges with the transfer foil. And this doesn't have to be perfect because the way I'm putting on the transfer foil or the type of transfer foil I'm using, it's not a full coverage. So this doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead and outline those nails and put the transfer foil glue gel on them and then add the transfer foil, and then I'm going to go in and top coat everything. So really quickly, I want to go over the giveaway one more time. It's open to everyone. US winners will receive this Polygel kit. International winners will receive a $25 Amazon gift card. There will only be one winner. So US or international, there only is going to be one winner. So definitely make sure you are following me on Instagram. That information is in the description box as always. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. And then make sure that you leave me a comment that says enter me, your Instagram name, and if you are international or US. So that's it for the giveaway. Also, I do have other open giveaways. All of the giveaways are in my videos. I didn't put giveaway in the title because I want the people that are actually watching my videos and watching them all the way through to have a good chance of winning a gift. So make sure you're watching the June videos. I do also have an open giveaway on my Instagram that is with Addicted to Pink Nails. So check that out as well. I'm now going in with my cuticle oil, and you guys all know this is available on my website. And you guys just make sure that after you're using alcohol and acetone and all of these products that you're going in and nourishing your skin after that. So I rub my cuticle oil into my cuticles and then I rub it into my hands. So a little bit does go a long way. And once that's absorbed, you're not greasy or anything like that. So definitely check out my cuticle oils on my website. And I will be showing you guys the finished, the reveal shot, I guess we can call it. But I did a DIY flower wall, and that's going to be my next video I uploaded. So you see me here playing with angles and my nails, trying to get a good picture. But my next video definitely will be it's not a wall, it's a flower background. So look out for that video. Let me know what you guys think of the nails down below. I love how these turned out. Yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think below. Make sure you enter the giveaway and check out my other videos this month and my Instagram for the other open giveaways that I have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon.